guys, 2013 STI, there we go. Here's the update. Everything is all bolted down, installed. Air bubbles bled on the coolant system, running good. It's been running already for about 10 minutes. 185, it went down, it was like 194 before, and I let it cool down. Idle speed, just a little bit, 700 RPM. Roughness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, so it's pretty good. Alright, let's go on the driver's seat. Alright, here we go. Alright, so idle's good, guys. Pretty good, not bad. Wow, just gonna go for a test drive here. This engine is ready to rock and roll. Alright, so this is it, guys. That's it. This STI 2013 is ready to go back on the road. We had that engine knock about 8 months ago, 6 months ago, and I have to salvage the original engine, put a new crank, new crank bearings, new rod bearings, and a couple brand new rod. Piston ring was the original piston ring. We had a compression test on that video, pretty good on that video. But that's it, guys. This is it. It's gonna go for a test drive around the block here and feel it. We'll put the bumper back on, and I think that's about it for this STI. I'm thinking of keeping it for a bit, but who knows, maybe someday I'll post it up for sale, and whoever wants to buy it, go ahead. I'm gonna put the ads on the description below on this video. It'll be nice having the STI right here. I think I have a template, so I had to find a template, put it there, and then I'm gonna spray paint it with a red color, says STI on it. So that's the update for this vehicle. We got the wheels, got the mud flaps, and I think I need to put a mud flaps in the back as well. I have the other pair. So that's it. I'm gonna close the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on the next one.